Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you want to automate tasks without spending a dime, here's how to use Zapier for free. First, go to zapier.com and sign up. You can register using your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. Once signed in, you automatically start with Zapier's free plan. Next, click Create Zap to start building an automation. You can set up 5 Zaps on the free plan, each with up to 100 tasks per month. Choose your trigger app, set the trigger event, then pick the action app and define what happens automatically. Finally, turn on your Zap and let it run, all without paying anything. If you need more tasks or advanced feature, you can upgrade later on. And that's that, guys. That's how you can use Zapier for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.